In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer money from Wise over to Revolut. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Wise, and you can do this on the Wise app or on the Wise website. From there, when you're on the home page, you'll see an option in the top left with a green button that says send. So we're going to click on that, and it now asks us where we want to send from. As you can see, I have got some money in my Wise balance, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. However, you can also choose bank or card. So from here it says who are you sending to, and if you've never sent your Revolut account before, you want to click add in the top right corner. From there we can select the currency of the Revolut account which we're sending to. Now I live in England, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose GBP, but if you're in America you're going to obviously want to choose USD. From there we can either search Wise or we can enter bank details, but since Revolut's a separate bank to Wise, we're going to go ahead and choose the bottom option, which is enter bank details. We can then go ahead and add a recipient, so we're going to choose someone else, and we can now start entering in our bank details. So we will need to enter in the full name of the account holder, a UK sort code and an account number since I'm sending in the UK. Now if you're sending USD, the bank details will probably look a little bit different, however you just want to fill them out and you want to click confirm. So from here, you'll need to actually open up Revolut so that we can find our Revolut details. So what you need to do when you're on the home page is first actually find the account which you're trying to send into. And I said earlier that I'm sending via GBP, so I'm in my GBP account right here. So all I have to do from here is click details, which is this option in the middle, and that will then take us to this page where I can see all of my details, which I can then enter in on Wise, and then that will allow us to transfer money from Wise to Revolut. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.